Good morning, it's Michael from Gabion Baskets in Durban. I'm here in Salt Rock where we're busy on a site. Just some of the challenges we face here. So the rock is dumped over there, as you can see. And the guys have to cart it all the way up top here. And then here. Drops down there. At the bottom part now. Earlier I was standing up top there to show you where we are dumping the rock. And we have to bring the rock down. It's quite a steep embankment. Down here, all the way to our first line, which is here. Client's going for a very rustic look, so that's why we also opted for the 50 by 50 by 4 mil welded mesh. It's not a massive site, but quite challenging, as you can imagine. Still on the same site, just a different section. See, guys have moved a lot of rock. It's even further down, baskets up top there. So we're going to go under here and we're going to do a stepped wall below this, below the deck. And that will be the client's view when he comes and sits and chills here. Like see 1, 2, 3 layers of gabions. There's going to be going more gabions on top of the second and third layer, just bringing those materials from German factory. So far the guys are doing well. We come around landing areas. There's a stockpile of rock. See, the area that we're working in is rather cramped for space, which is making it a little bit difficult for the guys at times, but nothing that we can't handle.